Creating symbols with your keyboard is easier than you might think. Let's dive right in. For example, if you want to make the @ symbol, just hold down the Shift key and press the number 2. Need a $sign? That's simple too. Just press Shift and 4. For more unique symbols, you can use the Alt key. Hold it down and type a specific number on the numeric keypad. For instance, Alt+3 gives you the heart symbol, and Alt+15 gives you a nice little check mark. If you're on a Mac, it's just as easy. Press Option and the corresponding key for symbols like the degree sign, DG, or the copyright symbol, C. And don't forget about the character map. It's a treasure trove of symbols waiting to be explored. Just search for it in your applications, and you can copy and paste anything you fancy. So whether you're jazzing up your emails or adding flair to your documents, these keyboard shortcuts will make your typing much more fun.